as we are leaving, can you see? Just left the property now. Our land's directly opposite Gulf Estates. Okay, can you see Gulf Estates? It's Gulf Estates. Let me show you. Yeah. Can you see? I just want to show you so you take a look yourself. Yeah, Gulf Estates. This is the heart of Port Harcourt, Fauga local government. Alright, this is Gulf Estate. Can you see the name? Gulf Estate. Have you seen it? Yeah. Gulf Estate. Almighty Gulf Estate in Port Harcourt. The place is so neat, so fine, very beautiful. Yes. Hope you're seeing it. Gulf Estate, and is Madam Good News, aka Madam Dollars, Mama Pekle Africa General Worldwide International. That means they bring the good news for you. Mercy Homes and Properties get lands directly opposite this Gulf Estate where you see for just 30 million. Make I hear say this land na 30 million by December 2023. Make I hear. Ha! Ha! It passed 30 million. You don't see him. You don't see Gulf Estate. Yes. This is the gate, the entrance of Gulf Estate. Very beautiful place. And these are property is sharing fence with it directly beside Gulf Estate. You can call it opposite, you can call it beside. Are you seeing it? A very wonderful and beautiful place. Can you see it? Aww. Aww. Don't forget that even if your money is not complete yet for 30 million, just pay what you have, and then we'll arrange a plan for you to finish your payment. Okay? Yes, you finish your payment and you'll be very happy that Mercy Homes and Properties, aka the Modern Good News, who brought this good news for you, helped you to get a very beautiful land in the heart of Port Harcourt. So, have you seen it? So, wherever you are, in London, in UK, in US, in Dubai, just call Madam Pekle Africa 09034296519, and I will prepare your document for you. You have peace of mind and you will get your property directly opposite Gulf Estate. Okay? I'm waiting for your call.